Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold your baby clothes. This is the last episode and we will be doing some day rolls here. Pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how you can fold together your clothes, and then you can have like a little ball that you can put in your backpack or baby bag, just in case something gets dirty or So there are a few different ways that we can do this. I'm going to show you the easiest way here. How we do this is that we need to start with the biggest garment first. I do have a onesie here, but I think we're going to start with a t-shirt just to show, and I can show you on the onesie as well in case you want to see that. So we take the biggest garment and lay it down flat with the front facing up, and then we stack the clothes for the day on top of it. So for example, say it's summer and you want to have a change of t-shirt, shorts, as well as a pair of socks. So we need to fit this all inside a t-shirt. If you remember the video where I folded t-shirts, I showed you a method where we can roll them up by first flipping the backside of the t-shirt in about 5 inches or so. You may need to do slightly more here since this will be a thicker roll, so let's do 6 inches instead. And then from here we're going to put the clothes on top of here. So as you can see, the shorts is kind of big, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fold it over in half here, and I'm going to make it nice and neat, because inside this roll things tend to get slightly creased up if you're not careful. And then we're going to take both the socks, I'm just going to lay one on each side like this, and then we are ready to start rolling. So I'm going to take the arms here and I'm going to fold them in as well, like so, nicely. I'm going to split it into 4 parts here. So the t-shirt, that is, into 4 parts here. So I'm going to fold it in 1/4 of the way on one side and then 1/4 of the way on the other side. Now 1/4 makes the rolls a little bit wider, but they won't be as thick. So it's like it's a lot better when you have a lot of clothes, right? So now I'm going to turn the entire roll around here like so, and from the top I'm going to start rolling down towards the bottom. Make sure it doesn't come undone here, like this. And once you reach the bottom, just use your one hand and lift up the entire thing. And now we're going to take this pocket and we're going to flip it back over the entire roll to secure it in place. So hold on to it with your fingers and do one side at a time. So like this. Once you're sure it's secured, you can turn it around, and we're going to do the other side as well. Same method, and like this. And of course this takes a little bit of practice, so if they look kind of like weird in the beginning, you can like massage them a little bit, nicely, and then stick your fingers inside the thumbs and you can kind of adjust it. And yeah, here you have a perfect day roll for your baby. Don't throw that around like I did with this one though. You can also do this, let's say, on the bodies here. Let's say you want to have a change of body and maybe some socks. You can also do that. Just place the socks inside. We need to turn the body on the back. Plop the socks onto here. Maybe you want to have 2 bodies just in case something happens. Like this. And then we put a pair of socks in here. You see, it's the same method. And then we just start from the shoulders and we start rolling it all the way down towards the bottom, like this. Once you reach the bottom, take this one, flip it all the way around so it meets the other side, and then you can just close it up, and then you are good to go. See, really nice to have these rolled up. For the sake of speed here, obviously I don't have that many baby clothes because I don't have babies yet, so let's do with the pants here. You can put them inside. If they're too long, the pants are too long to put on the t-shirts, no problem, just fold them up like that. And yeah, from here we can even put this inside if we want to keep it all together. And then we fold in the arms and we start rolling from the bottom. Maybe I need to put this one a little further up like this, and then we roll up and flip the hood over on this side, and we flip the hood over on this side, and there you have a perfect onesie day roll as well. I hope you enjoy this one. If you want like a cheat sheet on how to fold all your clothes to save space, I have one like step by step at organizing.tv/free. You can download it there and join the newsletter. and you can stay up to date with what I'm up to. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this baby clothes series. I'm gonna do more, have a bunch more cool stuff that you can check out on the channel as well, but definitely recommend the newsletter. Blah, 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 blah.